Hey teachers, today I'm sharing with you 5 different activities you can do with your precious students using only one picture. This picture could be on a screen, on a paper, or if you happen to be an artist, then you can sketch it yourself, I guess. Let's go. First, picture a dialogue. Show students a picture of 2 people talking and ask them to create a small conversation between these people just based on the photo. Give them enough time to prepare their dialogues, and at the end, make every pair or group read their dialogue out loud. For advanced learners though, don't choose pictures of people. Go with pictures of 2 random items and ask them to create an imaginary conversations between, for example, a bottle of water and a bottle of ketchup. Second is picture the person. Pick some photos of famous people and cover part of their face or the entire face. Tell students that the first person to name this person is the winner. It gets really fun and competitive. You can also show them photos of random items and cover half of it or the top of it and make them guess. This is very helpful if you're reviewing vocabulary words they've just learned. Third photo activity is picture the words. Just a quick side note, all activities names I'm using in this video are totally made up. These are games I did with my students, and if they happen to have other proper legit names, then go with that. If not, then the names I'm using are here to make things easier for you to get back to a certain part of the video. Anyway, let's carry on. So in Name the Words, choose one photo that has a bunch of items and tell your students that you have, let's say, 2 minutes to write down everything you see in this photo. The group who has the highest number of words wins. Fourth is picture the thought. Give students pictures of people like these ones and ask them, what are they thinking? What is she thinking about? What is he thinking about? And make sure you ask them some follow-up questions like, why do you think they're feeling this way? What made them feel this way? What are they going to do later? And to make things a little bit more fun, you can show them photos of adorable animals. So what is this cute polar bear thinking about? Last activity, one picture, one word. This is another competitive activity. Tell your students that they have 30 seconds or more, kind of depends on their level, to look at this photo and write down, let's say, one adjective if you were teaching that, or one verb or one noun. After the 30 seconds are over, every student reads their words and gets a point. But the catch is, if 2 or more students wrote down the same word, they don't get a point for their words. And then move on to another picture. In the second round, they will be more careful picking their words, and this will allow them to think harder. I usually go with 5 rounds, like 5 pictures, but if your time allows, definitely go with more. That's pretty much it. Don't forget to check my TBT store if you're in need for any ESL worksheets and printables. Link in the description. Thank you for being here today.